Hello everyone, so today I'm really excited to show you this beautiful Neptuno Deluxe Style Villa. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol. We are in the Murcia region of the Costa.Calida. So let's go in and check this property out. So this amazing villa is fully insulated, including the ceilings. So it keeps it nice and warm in the winter and lovely and cool in the summer. It also benefits for 22 solar panels with 3 backup batteries, which is a big savings on bills. So let's go in and check this property out. So as I've come into the property, you can see the terrace up here, which is normally the D section, that is enclosed. It has lovely chrome balustrade to it, and this is the outside space. I'll just give you a quick glimpse. And this in here is just your shed for your pump. Okay. Now this is around about or thereabouts 1,000 square metre plot. The walls are raised for privacy and it's fully lit all the way round. You have a barbecue just there, and this is the actual property itself. Absolutely stunning. You can see that there is an underbuild just there as well. Fantastic pool. Looks very inviting, especially as it's getting so hot in these days, you know. Really lovely. Now just here you have a bar area, so we're going in and have a look in there. So look at this, absolutely beautiful. So the bar is like those glass ice blocks. I call them ice blocks, but they're glass blocks with a nice black granite worktop. Really lovely area. It's nice and cool in here, and these doors open up onto the bar area as well. So this is a nice area if you just want to chill. Okay, I'll just bring you behind the bar now. You have some bar stools here. You have your drinks table. You have your wine cooler and your fridge for your booze. You got your insect zapper, and across you got your taps for your draft beer as well. And your bottle opener just there. Your shelves full of spirits. What more could you want? Absolutely stunning. So it's a great place to enjoy with friends and family and have a nice party. Just enjoy this summer, isn't it? And that's what it's all about, living out here in Spain. Enjoying the sunshine and having friends and family around. You also got a shower there, and you have a side gate to the back area of the property. So I've just come inside here, and as you can see, there are spotlights in the ceiling, and you've also got this ceiling light and fan, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, but we have got Venetian blinds as well. Just going to pan around just to give you an idea. And this is a beautiful room. So this is a secure door, heavy metal, and of course you've got your peephole here. We're just coming in here to the living area, and again you've got spotlights in the ceiling. Really sets this property off. You've got your aircon. It's beautifully decorated, and I'm just panning around just to give you a feel for the room. All right, you have a decorative electric fire on the wall just there. Now that far door, I'm going to take you through that to the bedrooms, and this door here is up to the top box up the stairs. But it's been so well done, this property, that they've enclosed all that. Okay, and then I will have a look around the kitchen at the end. So I'm just panning around for you guys, just to give you a good feel for the room. Okay, so just through here you've got a corridor and you have a lovely bedroom in here. Now this bedroom has a ceiling light and fan. It's got lovely coving all around and it's got the aircon. It's also got insect screens on the windows, blackout blinds, and so just panning around so you get a good feel for it. And I'm going directly across into another bedroom here. So this is a master bedroom. Again, you've got spotlights in the ceilings. You got your aircon, blackout blinds on the windows, insect screens, and you've got these beautiful large freestanding wardrobes. You've also got an integrated wardrobe just over there in the far corner. You've also got your ceiling light and fan. So I'm taking this room from a different angle just to give you a feel for the room. So let's go through and we'll have a look around at the next room. Beautiful wallpaper. Very decorative home this. And we just go in here and this leads to a lovely bathroom. So just above you got a large light illuminating this bathroom, I should say, sorry. You have a clear screen, shower screen. Really lovely shower, mosaic tiles along the strip of it in like a gold colour, and you've got this heated towel rail. You've also got your frosted glass window there, and this is your shower. Everything's done to a very, very high standard in this home, as you can see. You've got a lovely vanity unit and sink and some storage. You've got your shaving socket just there, and you have a socket over the door for an extra heater if you want it. You've also got this nice mirror with a light in it. Okay, so I'm just going down through here now and I'm going to take it upstairs. So this door here, now this leads to the top box above. So this is quite funky the way they've enclosed the staircase. I think it's really beautiful. And as I go up the staircase, the lights come on as you go up as well. It is a marble staircase, but it also has carpet on it. It has a chrome balustrade as we go up. And no expense has been spared. I don't know, I want to just show you, as I walk up the steps, the lights come on. I don't know if you can see that as I come up the steps. Just as I'm coming into the bedroom, you can see that the flooring has been done up here. And this is a beautiful bedroom. Okay, again, we have a spotlight in this bedroom. Just going to pan around for you guys. It's really stunning, this house, really stunning. And I'm going to pan around. It is absolutely huge. This is a beautiful suite up here in the top box. Now, just as I walk over here, you have your aircon and you have your bathroom suite. And it's all open, really done very nicely. You have your bath and your shower, your high gloss tiles, his and her sink, and mirrors there as well. And just at the end then you have your shower with your clear screen, shower screen. You've also got your heated towel rail. Just come down here to show you the details on the tiles, really very nice. They're all really lovely. Okay. So it is an absolutely dream gem of a property, this. So these are tilt and turn windows, and they'll open up as well. Let's go outside here. Now it's absolutely really sunny out here and a dream. You can see for miles. The views are absolutely beautiful. We are on Sector A, of course, and this is a corner plot. As you can see, just above the doors there is an awning here, and that pulls out right across to give you some shade, you know. There is a light on the side there, and these windows are like a tinted and mirrored, so it keeps the sun out, keeps the room nice and cool. So let's go back inside and I'll show you the wardrobes. Now I'm just coming back in here. It's lovely and cool in here as well. So just here you have your wardrobes. They're sliding door wardrobes. And this is absolutely huge. You can walk in and down, and there is lights above there as well. And you have shelves on either end for whatever you need, for your shoes, your handbags or whatever. Okay. Really exceptional. So really exceptional bedroom. So let's go back downstairs again, and I'm going to show you the kitchen. As I pan around, you have this lovely dining area. It also has your aircon. Now just through this archway, you've got a beautiful kitchen. Now this kitchen is the most relaxing colour ever. Lovely lilac, and it has black granite worktops with this lovely fleck in the granite. It's really beautiful. Okay. It's also got lights. It's got an integrated microwave and oven. And of course, you've got your fridge just there. Everything's integrated, and you've got your hob, wonderful drawers, and top and base units, and your large spotlights here as well. Really beautiful. Just going to pan around for you. Just give you an idea. Really stunning kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to take you out the back door now, and this will lead to the garage. So just in here is the garage, and it's kind of doubled up as a utility room as well. You have your washer and your dryers there, and you have plenty of top and base units where you can use your craft or just a handyman or whatever you want to do. Okay, got an extra fridge, freezer in here, and windows. This could be made into another room if you wanted, or a games room or anything like that. Just above you got ceiling fan and light, and they are, by the looks of it, electric garage doors on here as well. Okay. So just to give you an idea, if you got rid of the washing line, the satellite dish and that chair there, you could easily fit another 2 cars just in this space. And if you just look up there, you've got solar panels. There are lots of them in this house, which brings the bills down quite substantially. So as I come down here, you have a water point. You can see the hose, and that is the door, the back door of the garage. Okay, so we're just going down here to the underbuild, and you can see there is drainage down here. You have got a sump pump down there. Is it called a sump pump? And in here is the underbuild. Bend my head down to get in. Oh. So it's quite a large underbuild, and it's quite bright in here as well. You've got a window there, and this goes way back. So you got all your bump there for the solar panels, I'm assuming. And as you can see, it's all insulated. Can you see that? All insulated all the way around. So, got everything you need in this property. This is a lovely property, I've got to say. And I like the fact that the whole ceiling here is all insulated as well. So let's go in here. It's another part, more storage. So they have the oil tank just here. And the boiler, everything you need, you know. So that's it. So let's go over by the pool area again. Oh, what have we got over here? This house just keeps on giving, doesn't it? More and more and more. So I imagine this cupboard here, this storage cupboard, it's probably not a storage cupboard, it's probably a toilet or a shower room or something. Let's have a look. Yeah, it doubles up as storage, has a lovely vanity unit and a toilet in here. So that's great, so people can come in here and they don't need to go through the house after they've used the pool. So this is one of those absolutely fabulous villas that could be a permanent home or a holiday home. It has done to a very high spec, this property. So if you're interested, do contact info@let-to-sell-to-buy.com. I will leave the reference number in the title of this video and put that in the email along with your contact details. So until the next time, take care. Hasta luego, amigos. And I see you soon. Take care. Have an amazing day now. Bye-bye. I love all this sunshine.